Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Ingress Timeout Steam ID error on your Instagram account. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. First thing, in order to fix your timeout error issue on your Instagram, what you need to do is open up your Instagram application, and after that you need to tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, next thing you need to do is tap on the drop bar icon and then tap on settings. And as you tap on settings, you'll be directed to a list of options, and then you need to click on accounts, which is right at the bottom. Tap on account. Once again you'll have a list of options, and on this interface you need to click on account status. So this kind of error usually occurs with the flagged content. Now you need to write a story explaining that why your account should not be flagged, and after that you need to submit it. And if this kind of error continues for more than 1 or 2 days, then what you can do is you can simply delete your account. So after deleting or deactivating your account, you can log in after a couple of days later, maybe a week, and then you might be able to fix it. And the other thing what you can do is you can simply clear cache as well as storage. For that you need to open up your settings, and then you need to click on apps and then tap on Instagram. Once you tap on Instagram, next interface you'll be able to see the storage, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as clear cache and storage. You need to click on both of the options, and after that you might be able to fix it. And those were the method on how you can fix Ingress Timeout Steam ID error on your Instagram account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.